Everybody, welcome to the Family Feud. My name is Steve Harvey. I'll be your host today. Let's meet our families. Over here we have the Kardashians. And over here, some of you may recognize these individuals. They are the Robertsons from Duck Dynasty. All right, we have the Kardashians. I'm sure a lot of you are aware of how they reached their fame. You know what I mean? And then the Duck Dynasty, the king of the duck call industry. All right, let's have our first contestant. All right, are we ready? Okay, 100 Honesty High School Student Survey, top 5 answers on the board. Here's your question. When shopping for Christmas presents, what would you buy for a high school student?
A duck call.
A duck call. Oh, sorry, that's wrong.
We're gonna play it, Steve.
All right. So let's go ahead and meet the Kardashians.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the momager.
Hi, I'm Kim Kardashian, and I'm running for First Lady of the United States in 2020.
Hi, I'm Kanye. Go buy my clothes. What's up? Thanks.
This isn't really a TV commercial, but thanks anyway.
Oh my gosh, I'm guessing it's STUCO! Hi, I'm Chloe Kardashian, and unlike my sisters, I actually bring some brains to this competition.
Okay, and who do we have down here, young lady?
Hi, I'm Kylie Jenner. Everyone go buy my lip products.
Again, this is not a commercial. This is a game show. All right, let's go back to the questions. So, the question is, when shopping for Christmas presents, what would you buy for a high school student?
I know what I would want if I was in high school. A facelift.
Facelift. Shocker, that's not up there.
Kanye for Prez 2020.
Okay, not really a gift, but let's hey, what do you know? That's not up there either. Has anyone seen Courtney? Ah,
I'm here. Oh my gosh! You know what I want for Christmas? It's child support.
child support for Christmas. All right. Well, let's see if that was up there. Hey, what do you know? It's not. Maybe the Roberts. Okay, take you up the side. All right, we have 0 of 3 answers, so maybe the Robertsons can steal. What you got for me, Miss K?
Well, how's about a Miss K Duck Commander cookbook?
Very popular with the high school students, the Duck Commander cookbook. Shocker, that's not up there either. All right, let's have my assistant come out here. We'll take a look at the answers. Start with 5, sir. Number 5. We would like Snapchat unblocked. That might be the number 1 answer, I'm not sure. Which 100 did we survey? Number 4. Boy/girlfriend. Apparently we surveyed the single people here in Gillespie High School. Answer number 3. Shoes. So we surveyed the single shoeless people here in Gillespie High School. Answer number 2. Tech. I think that probably ties into the Snapchat being turned on. And our number 1 answer, clothes. All right. Let's move on to our second question. Next players, please. All right, here we go. We surveyed 100 Glen Estee High School students. The top 4 answers are on the board. Here's the question. What is your favorite holiday food?
Kylie Jenner's candy lip gloss.
Sorry, that has to be your answer. And apparently, it's already been buzzed wrong. So, let's see. All right, let's go with Mika Robinson.
I'm Willie. I'm the boss of the business, a.k.a. Duck Commander. I got the good genes in me.
This is my bag. I might be a model and all, but underneath all of this is a country girl screaming to get out.
Hey, now you listen here, Jack. I'm over here acting on my best behavior because Willie promised me donuts if I be good. Happy, happy, happy. Hey, they call me the Beaver Commander.
Well, now Willie here is lying. I was still on board with the good genes.
All right, let's go ahead and get back to the question. Here we are. What is your favorite holiday food?
Hey, I think it's squirrel.
What the heck, Sido?
Hey, you're too slow.
Uncle Si with a steal from his own family. Squirrel. Shocker, that's not up there. Okay, Si, I guess that means it's your turn again.
Hey, let's go with sweet tea.
Sweet tea.
It's food, not beverage.
Hey,
You can't spell stupid without size.
Let's check it. Sweet tea. Not up there either.
My favorite food is beef jerky, so let's go with that.
Beef jerky. Not up there either. All right. Let's go to the Kardashians for the steal. They had nothing. Oh, that's wrong. No, let's try it. No, no, no. No, no, no is not a food. That is wrong. Okay, let's check out their answers. Number 4, a fruitcake. I can't tell you how many times I hear high school kids asking about fruitcake. Answer number 3, ham. Almost beef jerky, that was close. And number 2, hot cocoa. And our number 1 answer, cookies. Well, never before in Family Feud history have we gotten to the point where we have absolutely no correct answers and no points earned by either family. So at this point, we can't move on to the fast round, so apparently both families lose.
Hold on. 1 minute, Steve. 1 minute. It's Christmas time. We can't lose. I think we've already won. Because the Christmas spirit in the air, our families by our sides, I think we've already won here. So go, come on guys, bring it in. Let's get a group up here. Kardashians too, let's go. Come on, bring it in.